My name is Eloy Ramos. I work in facilities in the maintenance department. I'm an older guy and I'm kind of apprehensive when it comes to change. The first day that I was shown Limble, I said, wow, this is a very simple program on the user side. So I think this will work. This will work, and it has so far for us, and I love it. Because I can be out on the other side of the complex and my phone will buzz and I look at it and I know what I'm going to do. They're automatically there. Nice. It's easier to track what has been done with Limble because you just look up an asset, and as soon as you find the asset, you can see everything that's been done to that particular piece of equipment. On the other one, our other program, it had a search that was kind of a complicated search. I pulled my hair out a few times looking for tickets where I'm trying to confirm something that had been done to a piece of equipment. And the Limble has been very, very easy to find what's been done on all the equipment we got here. It's really, really neat. Look up an asset and then there's everything that's been done to it from the minute that we came on Limble. Before, it was paper everywhere. We had paper coming out of our ears with tickets. With Limble, it's all on the phone and you're carrying it with you, so you're not carrying a piece of paper. Again, very, very nice. Well, my experience has been all positive, so I would recommend it just for all the reasons that I've just stated. Is the way you can track everything and the way it keeps track for you. It's a nice feature.